In this video, I'll talk about some of the important signs, the symbols you will be seeing in electrical circuits. So here is the battery symbol. When I say a battery, it is a combination of different cells. Okay. So it's one line, two lines, and these two lines are of unequal length. So the greater line, the longer line is the positive terminal, and the smaller one is the negative terminal. So this is the positive, this is the negative, and all are connected in series here. And just one cell is again denoted by this way. This is the positive and this is the negative terminal. So this provides the electric field or the potential difference in a circuit. A capacitor which we denote, this one is denoted by, the battery is denoted by V, or sometimes even the electric field, electromotive force. So it's simply called the V, and this one is denoted by capacitor, is denoted by C. And the capacitor stores charges, or it stores electrical energy in the form of electric field. The resistor is denoted by R. Okay, the resistor is denoted by R, and it opposes the flow of current in a circuit. And here we have a variable resistor. This shows that it can be put anywhere. This variable resistor means the resistor is not constant. Like for example here, in this case, the resistor is fixed. It is not changing. So if you have this symbol in a circuit, that means the resistor can be changed. And as I said here, this is the cell, or in simple word, we say one battery here. And this one is connected to the ground or to the earth. That means at this point, the potential is 0. So this is connected to the earth. The diode here, so this is a special type of electronic device. It allows the current to flow in only one direction. We also call this as a PN junction diode. Okay, so the current flows in only one direction. And this is again another type of diode, the Gina diode. This one allows the current to flow in both direction, the forward direction and the reverse direction. And the reverse direction, it allows to flow electric current only after a specified the voltage is reached. Only then it allows the current to flow into the circuit. Just like inductor, just like a capacitor, the inductor stores the magnetic energy here, and it is denoted by L. Okay, here I'm just talking briefly, just giving you some of the symbols you will be encountered in this course here. And this one is an open switch here. That means the circuit is incomplete. The circuit is not complete in this case. And this is a light bulb or a filament bulb. And this one is an AC source here. That means the voltage, the current is varying with respect to the time. It is fluctuating with respect to time. So this is an AC source. And here we have a light emitting diode. That means when electrical current is passed, it emits the light. And you might have heard about LED. That's what it is. When a current is passed, it emits light. The opposite is the photodiode. What does that mean? That means when the light passes, or when the light shines onto this one, then the current passes through this one. Okay. And this one here is a closed switch. That means now the circuit is completed, or the switch is turned on. That's what we say. The switch is turned on, and this is the switch is turned off. So these are some of the important signs electrical symbols you will be using in this particular not the chapter, but this particular course, electrical course. Thank you so much.